But Krista divert one other way and act like one snake. Trucker, are you carry me out here, you know? Me in a can and me say me now make the sun go down today. And I don't address this. Cause I was not going to come out. Me wait from me talk what me done. But you feel like say for your tongue longer than for me, Trucker. Or you went born with the two. So me assure you, Trucker, say for you no longer than for me. Because I did not address you.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome guys to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no still no? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you don't feel no pain at all. Just take care of yourself. And if you don't feel any pain, go check the doctor. Happy belated birthday to each and every one of you out there who is having a birthday yesterday and who have a birthday today and who are going to have a birthday tomorrow. Happy belated, happy soon come and happy birthday to each and every one of you. Wellness check, guys. Please, me, I beg gonna do the wellness check. Check on the friends and family. All on the enemy dudes. Just check on somebody. Make sure them all right and their mental health is in stable condition. Domestic violence is on a rise and we know say it's on a rise and we need to do something about it. So make we take our time and help with friends. Guys, if you can walk away from trouble, walk away from it. You may have things that you can't walk away from, but at least try to divide it or try to talk about it. Guys, there is some guys out there who is inflicting wounds on our young president, prime minister, and teachers and doctors. We need to know who them is. We need to show who them is. We need to talk about it. Guys, also, we need to have respect to each other. Guys, you know, I want to have a small dialogues with you all towards Wagwan on the YouTube street right now when it come on to Trukker Town. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want to say this, you see? Alicia Kim was dealt a raw deal, yeah? A man divorce her and she get the bitter end of the stick. A man walk out upon her and she get the bitter end of the stick. All because people dislike her, people don't like her, and all because of rum, aka shit in a plate, aka look like he have two tongue longer than for Jackie. I've missed you. My viewers and subscribers, listen, me forgot. I make a video yesterday and I curse a couple words tonight. And to be honest with you, after I make the video, even though it was fun for me, but I felt a little weird. Bad because I don't like do them things. Because to be honest with you, my mother watched my videos. And, you know, so I'll try my best not to do that again. I'll try my best. Anyway, Rum take up this thing and, you know, recruit. Yeah, him recruit people just to fight against AK. So me I say, AK didn't do him nothing. Now guys, the YouTube street is in disarray because of what going on. The Trukker Town turning on each other. And most of all, Kita knew exactly what she was doing. Because Kita realized, hold on, no man, take it easy, no man. Take it easy, man. Wait, no man, it'll come. Kita realized that these crowbaits pull her in just for their acknowledgement for everything Kita come out here and do, it benefit them. Kita realize when it was late. And I believe that that trip that Kita take to Guyana, to her place where her family is, I believe them talk some form of sense in our head and let she knows, look how you make these good for nothing people draw you out into the public and make your name is out in the public. Nothing that's good. And Kita decided that she is going to leave social media. Kita decided to leave social media, but before Kita left social media, Kita said two things that get the drunkard tongue sitting in them own vomit, sitting in them own filth. Kita said, we must leave married people business alone. God. Hey, that sentence was the hardest sentence for the year of 2026. That sentence turned Drunkertown against each other. It turned Drunkertown upon its head. Now, what I want to say is, the one named Vibes with Rosa, she make a video, a cuss off Kita. Apparently, Edmund Drunker, who them call the president, tell her if you take it down. She take down the video. Listen, man. Listen. This is listen good enough. This is a grown woman, you know. He's taking order from a man who a carry two tongues then longer than for Jackie, you know. Why? You see what I say? But he never stopped there, so. Then go over mixed breed and was talking all kind of things over there. But he never stopped there, so. The trucker, the president, go up on in live and was talking some things about none other than Disgraceful Jackie. I think about if you change your name Disgraceful Jackie because that the video where you make. Me not telling a lie. You deserve a little good name because that video where you make. I'm going to take off the disgraceful, but I think about one word we use because you know how to you know in the good book, you're still in the bad book, because you're still one of them. But Ram the trucker go call Jackie name. Like apparently she in Sam and Jackie. In Sam and the Leo. So the Leo put him in a place. The Leo decided to say things that everybody was frightened and afraid to say. Jackie said, Ram the trucker, I act like he have two tongue and the two of him Ram tongue look like them longer than for she Jackie. Hey, what is this? Hey, you imagine? Jackie said, he look like Ram carry two tongue like she, but are they longer than for she? People, brother, this situation you need something. Yes, this is a situation I need something. Jackie go on to say that Kita trick everybody. Kita know what she a do. Kita this, Kita that. The same set of people that was beating AK for Nari and not for Nari, was beating AK for Maki and Kita and the one down at the same one, Jackie, turn round pan Edmund Drunkrow. Guys, why if somebody did tell me, say that happened, I wouldn't believe. Would I tell them say, yo, I will not tell. Yeah, would I tell them say, would I say to them say, yo, I will not tell, man. Not no go so. But because me see it for myself. Yeah, me see it to myself, so me believe. Me believe every drip and every drop of what was said. Because me hear it with my 2 ears. By the way, I know me 2 ears, me hear it with my 2 eyes. Me hear it with my 2 eyes and me see it with my 2 ears. Because me I tell you the truth, everything discombobulate up. Me foot there my hand there my foot, me ears there my mouth there my ears, everything turn upside down. Because guess what? The people that was up against AK, beating AK, is the same set of people now turning on each other. Look at God. Look upon God. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Eh? Can you imagine? Eh? Can you imagine that we reach this far? Something that should never happen. This shouldn't reach where it's reaching. It shouldn't reach where it's. Because guess what? AK never trouble nobody. All AK do was accept a divorce paper. That's all AK do. Accept a divorce paper. And that divorce paper to nightmare. No. Her nightmare turned into laughter. Because guess what? As she have the last laugh. As she have the last laugh. Hey. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you this. Sometimes in life. Yeah, sometimes in life. You don't know what's coming to you tomorrow. So when you have today, take care of today. Take care of today. Because if you not take care of today, and tomorrow, when tomorrow comes, you're still alive, how you going to manage because you didn't take care of today? When I listen to what's she name? When I listen to what Vibes with Rosa say about Kita, guys, I have to tell you the truth. I normally just make video freely. I don't know what to make because there is so much content out there to make. Right now, my brain, my body, everything I hurt because me I move like this. Me I delete. Me I say this cup. Look how much content is out there. Then when you check it out, I call it to Jackie. Jackie say, rumor I'm talk about. Look how you make them over there, so. It's not a matter of look how you know gonna make them over there. So we've been a teaching you a lesson long time. We've been a talk to you a long time. We've been a telling you say let it go. Hold on, me hear the one essay over over mixed breed I talk about. She no want the problem. She no want this when the same Town vibes cuss her off. And then you are go over back over there, go stoop to those kind of people because those are the kind of people that you don't like. Dirty. Not people who is calm and respectful. Dirty. That's why them grab onto the name Town, so. But guys, it is very, very sad to know that you know what I have to say? Hold on a little bit. It's not sad. It's not sad enough. It's just sad because they recruit these people to come and help to beat AK. And now that these people realize, because that's what Kita did. Kita realized that she went in the wrong crowd. Kita realized that you guys use her. Because remember, Vibes Shooter, they tell me, say him not give one F about Alicia Kim and Mackie's story. It's all about money for him. That's how he tell me. It's only a pity. It's only a pity. Me don't have those things to make you hear them for yourself. It is a shame. It is a disgrace. If you see, oh, we no carry down AK, we no try to carry her down, we no dig her, we no mix her, we no put everything. And now, we no fight against one another. We no cuss off one another. Jackie, tell Edman Drunkro. Well, in tell him, say him tongue must be long and fair. Because a two-tongue, it look like a two-tongue him have. We did tell a long time, say a two-tongue you have to show, you know. Because you're a tech man. Yes, you room ram. And I know you're a tech man. You're a tech man. So see, the Jackie come out, come even polish it off. Jackie come out, come polish it off. Because we know a long time say you're a tech man. You bisexual. A man, dog, and girl, you go to. Remember, Tressa did come out, come say it, you know. And never me. And she, Tressa, did come out, come say, you are that, not me. And you and I did used to drive truck for the same company. Remember that you and Tressa used to drive truck for the same company. And as she make me know, say, you know, in my world, you in a everybody world, man, dog, and girl. Well, she never really tell me about the animals still. She never say animal. But you know, bounty killer say man, dog, and girl. Somebody just put it in there. So guys, humit out the animal part. Me don't know about him and the animal. But Tressa say, is a man will love man too. And Tressa tell me that, nah. Mark, I hear me here, so me just a tell you where me here. I mean, I say no alleged neither. I will me here. And she said she have proof because she said he can't give me. It's only that me can't put them sitting out on social media. But no, yeah, Jackie come out, come polish it off and say, you must have two tongue, then long and fair. But guys, you have to really sit down and really look. None of you Town people know that it was going to happen like this, don't it? None of you never expect this. But you have to realize that each person have their own mind. Because any which part, because me not telling you this, Kita or Krista, where you want to call her, anywhere she sit down, Somebody send it to her. Somebody send these videos to her. Even if she not up on YouTube again. Somebody screen record these videos and send them to her. So right then now she look on these videos and I shake her head and I say, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. That's why she said, if you leave married people business alone. And it burn on no belly. It burn on no belly. Why? My viewers and subscribers, me have some more video for make. Me have a video for react to too. So it's coming up very soon. So I will be back. This video is a short one. And I will be back with some more video. But me have to come talk to you about what Jackie said about the long tongue boy. The boy will carry 2 tongue. Ram, you carry 2 tongue. And Jackie say you a carry 2 tongue. And the 2 tongue longer than fear. Me never know say you a carry 2 tongue. People did tell me say you are one of them. But now me more believe say you are really one of them. 2 tongue ram. You have 2 tongue ram. 2 tongue ram. Jackie say your tongue them must be long and fear. 2 tongue ram. You carry 2 tongue. Me say, hey, 2 tongue boy. And you have a new name. And a shit in a truck again. A 2 tongue boy. Alright, my people. I'm out. Bye-bye.